Hey, now won't me so dear. On your public official. And ye ba say na ye di ora hon koma. Ye de bo won't me di na me say. Minti asem we di akire. Ye tie ya say won't me aba for plea bargaining. And attorney general say onye. Enti no won't me per plea bargaining dia on family court dem mu. Wadaroma eye won't me case ni mu ne wo he. And na wo kopen plea bargaining ni.
Alright, I was able to make sure I'm being the noble artist in high Ghana Sam TV. Let's subscribe to the channel. The Mufama Jun Shebra, I will conversation. I'm sure I'll be for saying you know your name said case now, ChairmanWontumi FEC or Yoko ni Ghana Police Service and draw your honor the Attorney General Eba Bonting and the Kasa Efa cases be bringing Ebo Hoa Omuye Hujuma. Oh, and no Muna or Becca say. ChairmanWontumi eba ni ho and I said ChairmanWontumi aba ni fie and I said the office abe panel cho say anka bills conditions ni money charges na omdi ya charge no anka be ya omo reduce it and I said omo mfanche no obe pleading ebusia eno na enne the lawyer for ChairmanWontumi eba bontin be ka kire say niema na Attorney General all kano obwa. Now, Attorney General, he should be serious when he's dealing with things like this in Ghana. On Jais, our social media trend, you know. Now, a Jumana Edia Shannon non konye because there's no timer or no the lawyer of ChairmanWontumi and I said ChairmanWontumi, or they have even sit somewhere to meet the Attorney General to even bargain on his case. There has been nothing like that until Attorney General on the way just to please followers and I say NDC full stages. The lawyer for ChairmanWontumi hey,
now won't me so dear. On your public official. And ye ba say na ye di ora hon koma. Ye de bo won't me di na me say. Minti asem we di akire. Ye tie ya say won't me aba for plea bargaining. And attorney general say onye. Enti no won't me per plea bargaining dia on family court dem mu. Wadaroma eye won't me case ni mu ne wo he. And na wo kopen plea bargaining ni.
AY3ka ChairmanWontumi na the woman say and could be in in any of the cases that ChairmanWontumi involved no I call say a compare plea bargaining and then quit and yet BBS na sisi no court case no hold court na Attorney General say over in Qatar and this in original so there prosecution and you know the actual so beba ama esi so na yakwesha trial na se na unim say trial no omo fale omo discovery no me am lawyer for the accused person me started cross examination into say all omo witnesses go through cross examination na omo wie no consume case ya afi answer na say omutimi establish BBS year no na say otherwise so omutimi establish BBS year no say be file submission of no case na the move na say court no near ya say case na wi otherwise because BB ho say year no near year no na baby away there omumfa discovery no kra mari empo yakọ case management conference na case management conference sometimes they do one more which make us say based on the evidence crowd here the person obey plea bargaining na yin do bia omumfa discovery no kra mai also say obi abase be plea yin kra remove no the me can say Attorney General no osai Minister for Justice in that mandate as Minister for Justice a kwang ho say we can say atentini e be yima no so gina court na so bi wo na o evidence bi kura so the boa prosecution na emission say so the ba bia based on that strength no ni mandate no and na person onu invite you say me for pre-begging dia e bia na no and I say or send the signal say that facility is there which we know already say about say necessary. But so far the ChairmanWontumi is only for almost so far. In Sobia Maya the Bobon Quebu. And you and you know, so be a could maybe say a plea for baggage. No, great.
Well, Adaromo, Abia na we ChairmanWontumi lawyer there, but Abia no ani attorney general din komono. What be sa o client no say or no anko ya na on sumo bi anko.
Maybe the first and I may say between maybe say information we na na nkwebi no bi ChairmanWontumi ka say say nkwebi ni. So there be asa on kosi attorney general bia enti ono akwa otie na ni mama. Enti me tunu gina ni mwaka na mwaka say ChairmanWontumi on koye sa application enti bibia say di ho.
Lawyer, yeah, Jumama ChairmanWontumi say, and Sembi say, ne amaya ye worried kakra. Na kamya ko say as a bino etunani asi Wontumi because anytime I should be and fa Wontumi nkra ho a see a penal ni edni shemu no ne ade in the attempt to say ibegun hu fi ibegun animu ase ene se kwan bia be fa so edni betum bia no e bia edni betum sa na mu hu no
mi hu se gan rasi enti ChairmanWontumi ti se de menu miru nyina ti we ya se attorney general na prosecution who say anasa na bimu susu say efuzu bia kwa ho so de yimu bia kokot ti mimi who say ChairmanWontumi na attorney general abiye de say I from Subia said the kokot. I normally would not want to think of politics in the case because every case as a separate project from the other. And next ChairmanWontumi and a accused person. I see him only as an accused person in this matter without including any political intentions and motives. And maybe a mesan mechanism. And I don't want to also mix my legal practice with politics. And I may engage as a lawyer to defend the case in court, not to do the politics of the case. The moment can make me a politics, but I will do the case.
Lawyer, attorney general can so be was some dark court to so and our clients no be where some year for attorney general to come public and make announcement to Abria Moon make such move.
The discourse in the public space is worrying because sometimes in his excitement, with me, a cancer will be a prejudicial. Say when first say a criminal action needed when you have improved the criminality of whatever action you are proposing, and in the course of political, in the course of prosecution, you may raise the issue before the court say we are not happy with the attempts to try some of the issues in the public space. You can't hear court to issued the necessary advice and instructions. Now, you're distracted by the public advocacy. Now, you may focus on doing our work as defense counsel.
What Aloma say, the Bena Mobesa coach beam.
They're supposed to file their dinner, I said 25th. No, 25th. And they were supposed to have filed it on the 20th. But so far, in Sanka, Qatar.
And the Yaka say, Quadua, Attorney General, the Wontumi no, a home crater, Cajon, Adansi, Cajon, a Nippo, a Nippo from Mossad and Sefuna, court to Nonsi Muneso, or the Mamma Baby Cinnamon Sankai.
It's in Sankai, in TFN. Memum edu 25th no ne kokot ne nsankan ya ebebo koto man ye say nano she say attorney general this one this one. Inti say a bit to me attorney general no. What to me this one there na court no. Eyi charter bonu to ChairmanWontumi so me nkofi.
You see attorney general pronouncement as an invitation. Say Momra Plea again nana.
A bit me a subtle invitation, but you say you for you who the attorney general who or no fee say you for no as and when any of the facilities in the prosecution becomes necessary, we take advantage. But for now, you need to be access. Here say a call for plea bargaining.
All right. Over and pay better say any brown near Dinkum. Be any besaba.
Sure.
All right. Lawyer Andy Apia could